Great investors, welcome to the 21st of April 2015. The trade for the day is called Anglo American and the code is AGL. Last traded price was 186.81 cents. Action on this trade is to do a buy. So the objective is to go from the grey line to the green line. Entry level 185.01 and the target will be 196.11 on the green line. Stop loss to be used on this trade is on the red line of 181.31 cents. Current open trades is Billiton and Life Healthcare. Trades that has been closed is Woolies, Aspen, MTN. That happened last week, and Woolies happened yesterday. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, top is 40 shares, and it's indicated by the black line. Still trading above the 10-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, indicating that momentum is still above and positive, but still trading. Keep a close eye on this momentum. Looking at the Dow Jones, they closed 208 points positive on Monday evening. This was Friday's movement, and they closed back to the blue line here. So they were almost 279 points down on Friday, and they recovered 208 points. It shows you the volatility on the market at this current moment. Currently, this is the biggest week of earnings coming through on the S&P 500 on quarter earnings, and that could cause a lot of volatility in the market as well. Greece is also in talk with the markets, and everybody's looking at the Greece data. Looking at the J200, you can basically see this is the green line, still moving in the momentum. That lost a lot of value from the top here. Markets went down about 81 points. Getting a bit of support here at the level of 47,395. And currently the market's momentum is a bit positive for the early morning trade, but need to track it closely. The European futures are a bit down. American futures are a bit up, about 30 points, 35 points, and the South African markets are indicating a bit of a slight positive opening for early trade today. Looking at some shares, let's start with the MTNs. You can see basically went to the top of 250, losing a bit of momentum, and currently trading at 225 rand. Current low of support is about 225, 229, 223 points, so keep it close on this momentum. You can see basically it's still trading above the Bollinger Band in the middle and the red, indicating the share is still positive, but need to track closely for any momentum. Vodacom. Now Vodacom broke a new record high yesterday, 1 Rand 15 up, and the share is currently trading at 144 Rand after this big movement here. So that share is still running positive, even if it ran about 0.8% positive through the course of the early morning trade. Let's go and look at your banking shares. Here's Barclays Bank, and as you can see, upward momentum in this downward channel. Presented at top, tested 195, coming down, currently trading between a level of 182 and 185 and a bit sideways pattern. You will see on the Bollinger Bands it's just trading underneath it, so we need to see what the momentum can carry this share. Looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Here's the legs, the shoulder, head, shoulder. So let's see how this plays out. Standard Bank. Now looking at Standard Bank, traded beautifully upwards, tested at high of 176, coming a bit down. Next low of expectations close to the 170 Rand level. Share needs to take a bit of a breathe. After the last few weeks, it went from this level to that high, plus minus about 14 to 15% in positive momentum. Investec. Investec is still testing that previous highs in this positive channel after it came down, still trading between the green and the red. Bollinger Bands, and the share is quite toppish at this moment. Need to see what direction we'll do on this one on the high toppish side of the share. Let's go to the retailers. Woolies. Woolies was starting to get into a sideways pattern, even if they yesterday were up about 111. They're still trading between the green and the red, but on the very high side of the Bollinger Band, indicating the share is quite toppish. Can still move higher, but the indication is quite toppish at this moment. Current high is to be tested is about 94.23, and the share is currently trading at 92.10. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price went to the new high of 282, start to lose momentum, testing this 266.44 and the Bollinger Band in the middle. Need to keep a close eye if this one will go back on this 266 level and start breaking the 260 and go back to the 248. But the share still in the positive momentum, but momentum did come down. Keep a close eye for a breakdown if it needs to happen on the technical side. As you can see, Shoprite momentum is positive, broke the middle of this support of the channel line. Now it's testing the middle Bollinger Band as well. The big question is, will this be a reversal will this be a head and shoulder pattern? Leg, shoulder, head. Started to go sideways after it actually went up. If you look at this positive channel from that low to that high, was approximately about 12%, and from that 12% it lost already 6%. So we need to see if this value could start breaking this point, coming back here, or is this just a bounce for a new pickup to happen. So a lot of things could dampen this share, and you need to keep it a close eye on it as well. Looking at your Xaros, still fading here at the bottom, nothing is basically happening big there. And look at your CFR, also in the top there, at 105 levels, currently trading at 104. Nothing is happening with this share this moment. Keep a close eye on the markets, a lot of volatility. Next week is going to be a very short week in the markets. Enjoy your trading.